Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and save document in PowerPoint Mobile. So if you haven't downloaded the PowerPoint Mobile on your phone, just find it in the Google Play or App Store. So I'm going to open the PowerPoint first. Okay, so here click on the plus icon at the top to create a document or create a document presentation. And then here you can see there are a bunch of templates that you can use as your document. For example, I want to this Savon template. And then here you can just double tap to add the title. For example, key to success. Okay, just like that. And then you can just click on this to add a new comment. And then you can also add a picture from your phone, or you can also add a table. And to add a new slide, just click on the three dots icon and click on new slide. Here you can just add the subtitle here and then add the text. And the next step, I want to show you how to save the document. Just click on the check icon at the top, go back, and then your presentation has been saved to your phone storage here. Okay, so just like that, that is how you can create and then save document in PowerPoint Mobile. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.